We're putting together a new stainless steel shelf, table, cabinet thing. Let's get this thing built. And just like that, guys, we are done. It does have a cool shelf. We still have the 2 doors that open up with the middle shelf there. This thing is pretty dang sturdy. Has the leveling legs on it so you can adjust it to level out where you're at. This shelf can also be adjusted to a second level on there. Magnetic doors on top and bottom. It is pretty dang sturdy and there's tons of room. I do like the shelving. You have different levels too. You can put a shelf here instead if you want to lower this down for stuff that's up high, or you can put this one up here if you want to put some more on the bottom. This went together super easy. The instructions are really clear. No parts missing, everything fits together nicely.